name is Sue and welcome back. Please don't forget to click like, follow, share and subscribe, as I will be posting regular fun and exciting Zulu English learning content for kids. Today we will be reading. I hope you have done all your breathing exercises. Let's begin. The name of the book we will be reading today is called Nkosazana Nana's First Day in School by Sizile Ndlazi.
Hello, Princess Nana, happy Nana, ready for the day. What will it unfold? Let's see what Mom and Dad have in store. Every day is about learning what's new. Ready or not? Here comes Nana, let's go meet the day.
It was going to be Nana's first day of school, and she was very excited. It was Monday, and Nana woke up early in the morning. She brushed her teeth, and her mother gave her a bath. Her mother and father had bought her a new uniform to wear for school. The color of her new uniform was a green dress, white socks, and black shoes. I look very smart, she thought, looking at herself in the mirror. When she went to meet her parents in the kitchen, her mother said, "Nana, you look very smart," giving her her porridge. "Yes, you really look very smart, Nana," said her father, giving her her juice. Nana thanked her parents and accepted her porridge and juice. When she finished eating, Nana packed her school bag. In her bag, there was new stationery, a pencil, crayons, and a writing pad. Nana and her parents got to school and saw the name of the school written in big letters, Langelihle Primary School. Her parents walked her into school and they were showed by the class teacher which class she will be in. Her class teacher showed Nana where she will be sitting. It was a table with 2 chairs. Teacher Gumbi told her that she will have a desk mate, but they have not arrived. When she was settled, her parents said goodbye to her and her desk mate arrived. She was able to make a new friend. It was time for the lesson to start, and the teacher wrote on the board and told them she would teach the class how to write like her. It was time for lunch and the bell rang. All the students went outside to eat and play. After lunch, they went back to class for more lessons. At the end of the school day, Nana's parents came to fetch her. They asked her how was her first day. Nana smiled and told them she had a wonderful time in school. This is where we stop for today. Today's affirmation: I respect myself and others for who they are. Until next time, goodbye.